Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. So in this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important topic, that is audit of trust. CMA Inter Group 2 from auditing section, and auditing section carries 50 marks. And this topic also very important for your examination point of view. Audit of trust or charitable institutions. So let's get started. As you know that when conducting the audit of a charitable institution, the auditor should consider the following matters. The first and most important things need to do by auditor is to check the constitutions. That is, whether it is set up under Societies Registration Act or as per Section 8 of the company or as a trust. Okay. Then interest of members. In case of interest of members, obtain a list of members of the governing body. This will help the auditor in identifying whether any of the members of the governing body has any interest in the charitable institution or not. That need to be checked by auditor. Then third, budget. In case of budget, the auditor should obtain a copy of the budget which is sanctioned or the financial statement. This will enable him to acquaint himself with the different heads of income and expenditure of the institution, so that he had getting a basic idea how to conduct audit of income and expenditure. Okay. Then internal check. In case of internal check, auditor need to examine the system of internal check, especially as regards the accounting of the amounts collected, especially as regards the accounting of the amounts collected. जो भी अमाउंट्स कलेक्ट हुआ है फ्रॉम डोनेशन or grant or anything, that need to be checked that it is properly accounted for or not. Okay. In case of internal check, examination of the system of internal check, especially as regards the accounting of the amounts collected or not. Okay. So next, collection and deposit of income means check that the amount received towards income have been duly collected, received and deposited into the bank regularly and promptly. जो भी amount receive हुआ है that should need to be deposited into the bank regularly and promptly. Okay. The amount collected need to deposit the bank regularly and promptly. That need to be checked by auditor. Then subscription and donation. In case of subscription and donation, the institution receives subscription and donation which form the major part of their collection. Therefore, the auditor should check the following. First, the amount or the rate of the annual subscription. The amount or the rate of annual subscription. Then any instruction given by the donors as to the specific utilization of donors. Any instruction given by the donors as to the specific utilization of donation, as to the specific utilization of donation. Then adequacy of internal control existing as regards unused receipt of books controls and counterfiles etc. need to be checked. Adequacy internal controls. Adequacy of internal controls as regards unused receipt books, counterfile, etc. Then, where subscription are received in advance, this should be properly dealt with in the accounts. Subscription received in advance need to be properly dealt in accounts. In case of subscription and donation, these things are need to be checked. Then, in case of legacies received, verify the amount of legacies received by reference to the correspondence with any figures and other available information. Okay. In case of legacies received, need to check with reference to the correspondence with any figures and other available information. Okay. Then, in case of income from investment, where the institution has made any investment or given loan, the amount of dividend and interest should be properly vouched with reference to the counterfiles or dividend warrants received. It should be ensured that such loans or grants are given under proper authorization. That need to be checked. जो भी institution has made any investment or given loan, the amount of such dividend and interest should be properly vouched. Okay, with reference to the counterfiles or dividend warrant received. That need to be checked. In case of income from investment, it should be ensured that such loans or grants are given under proper authorizations. Okay, then in case of rent, if some property is given or taken on rent, then the auditor should check the tenancy agreement, the rent slips, and the authorized person for the collection or payment as the case may be of the rent. Auditor need to check the tenancy agreement, okay, the rent slip, and the authorized person for the collection of or payment as the case may be. In case of income expenditure relating to concert means a musical performance given in public, concert. In case of income or expenditure relating to concert, auditor should be careful in such cases. Like all the gross received and outgoings are to be properly vouched by him. It should be ensured that proper internal check was maintained as regards proper internal check was maintained as regards the receipt and outgoings. Okay, for example, the person responsible for collection and disbursement should be separate person. जो भी person in this case collection कर रहा है या फिर कुछ भी expenditure कर रहा है, that need to be a separate person. Okay, then expenditure a major area of concern. The expenditure of charitable institution is also one of the major areas of concern. Thus, the auditor should verify that the expenditure is made only for the charitable purpose only. The expenditure should be made only for the charitable purpose. That need to be checked. If the expenditure is not for the charitable purpose, then the auditor should examine the implication of applicable law and document for the same. अगर charitable purpose के लिए expenditure नहीं हुआ है, in that case need to check the law कि law में है क्या कि other than charitable trust that need to be expenditure made and need to check by company. They need to check by auditor. So in case of physical verification, the auditor should physically verify the cash in hand, inventories, and fixed asset. You can say cash in hand with books of account, physical cash in hand, and its recording in books of account. Then inventories, then fixed asset. सब चेक करना पड़ेगा in case of physical verification. Okay, so this is it all about audit of trust. There are so many things need to learn about audit of trust, but in case of intermediate only need to know the basic fundamentals. Okay, for your examination point of view. So this is it all about audit of trust, and you just remember all the important point. First need to check the constitution, then interest of members, then budget, what are the internal check system, collection and deposit of income, subscription and donation, legacies received, income from investment, then rent, then income expenditure related to concern, then expenditure a major area of concern, then physical verification. These all points need to be checked by auditor in case of audit of trust or charitable institution. So this is it all about audit of trust. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.